All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Check it out. We're going to do a battle box, and this is a simple one. And again, we going to take care of this and kind of show you everything that we have in here. Usually what I do here is that I kind of show you the items, and that's about it. So again, Battlbox send this to the channel every single month, and we definitely appreciate that. There's a link down there if you want to get it. Obviously, there's different levels. There is the basic level, all the way to the pro level, all the way to the knife of the month. So again, depends what you get. It depends the supplies that you're gonna get every single month. Now, I get questions about this sometimes, and this is like serious money, right? If you get the one that is the knife of the month, you're talking about it over $100, right? I think it's like 150 or something like that. So again, that's a lot of money. So make sure you watch a lot of videos before you make your decision. I don't want you to waste your money on something you don't want. And again, there's tons of videos here in the channel. This is going to be mission 75. And they do this book now, which is pretty cool because, again, it gives you a ton of information what it is. They used to do a card. I think the book is a little bit better. Give you a description of the items and things like that, right? So there you have it. So you have your basic, you have your advanced, you have the pro box, and then you have the pro plus box, which is the knife of the month. And I'm going to tell you, this knife is really, really cool. Value about $95. So again, it is what it is. So again, really, really cool knife. I'm going to show you B-rolls, or I'm going to show you the knife here in the channel, right? So let me put this here to the side. Mission 75. Let me open it up to kind of guide myself as I show you some of the items that I'm going to be showing you guys. And again, kind of like talk about it, right? So if you guys got any comments, put comments down below and let me know what you think. I should have been wearing my glasses. By the way, I'm starting to wear glasses because, I can't read. I need to remind myself to bring my glasses when I read little things like this. So let's go into the first item. This is going to be in the basic box, and it's going to be Beyond Bungee Trek Rope Lock Tie Down Tool. All right, this thing right here. That's going to be the first thing. Let's look for it. As we look for it. All right, so this is what you got. By the way, guys, make sure you check out. Let me get the microphone out of the way. There we go. Make sure you check out the Battlbox. Actually, the Battlbox video, because they actually go through every single item and they actually explain it really, really well, actually. So this is going to be valued about $20, right? So again, what this is, I have no idea. Let me see. Rope tied down Beyond Bungee. All right, so a rope tied down. There you go. Get a good look to that, right? So that's going to be the first item. It's going to be about $19, like I said. The second item is going to be a pair of socks, which my son already asked me for, and that's going to be about $17. Wow, that's some expensive socks. $17. If my wife is watching, don't ever buy me a pair of $17 socks. I don't do that. That's too much money for me, right? So I guess Lola will be blessed with these socks. They feel really nice and they feel really comfortable. They are widely good, lightweight, wool crew socks. All right, so let me show you this right here. So you have them right there. All right, so those socks are going to be in the basic item. The next thing is going to be some food, which food is always good. These things are great because you could put them in, bug out pack, anything like that. 43 grams, so the protein, that's actually pretty good amount. So, okay, chicken and pesto, pasta, that's going to be valued about $12. Again, if you do a lot of camping and things like that, if you have like one of those bug out packs, I don't have none of that stuff, but 3-day packs or something like that, then again, you could put that in there. It's good. Food is always good, right? I love food. So that's going to be valued about $12. And then you have an emergency fishing trapping kit. I'm going to tell you something. Let me switch this right here. A lot of people get this kind of stuff and they put it in the bag. If you get some of this stuff right here, which, let me switch camera. If you get some of this stuff right here, make sure you know how to use it. It's funny to see guys that have this stuff right here and they don't know how to use it. When it comes to fishing, I used to do fishing back in the days when I was a young kid. But now I don't. So if you give me a fishing rod and line and all that, I'll be like highly confused. So, all right. So kind of like train yourself. Don't just buy stuff that you don't know how to use. And that's going to be about $7, right? So again, that's going to be it for the basic box. We're going to jump into the advanced box, which is only one item. And wow, this is like a laser bright single military light, I guess. I don't know. Let's see. This right here. Let's look for it. Okay, now I remember. I remember seeing this in the Battlbox video. So kind of like a chem light kind of style. Let me open it up. I actually want to see what it has in the inside. Should have a knife for this. Every man should always have a knife. So again, it's kind of like a chem light style or kind of thing. Let's open it up. All right. So here you have it. I don't know how to use it. I had to figure it out. But again, it's kind of like a chem light kind of style. So this is what you got. This is going to be value about $44. Wow, sounds like a lot of money. So let me show you right here. Different colors. And you kind of get an idea right there. So that's it. The Pro Plus is going to be a flashlight, which is $70. Man, I'm going to tell you. I don't know who's coming out with some of these prices, Battlbox, but some of these prices seems to be pretty expensive to me. This is $70 right here. I mean, I don't know. Maybe value $70. If you're watching in the comments, let me know how much this thing is. But $70 sounds like a lot of money for a little flashlight like this, right? So, again, this is going to be 400 lumen light, which 400 lumens is just really not that much. So 400 lumens light, obviously charged. I think it's charged by USB, which is, that's the case. That's actually pretty decent. Rechargeable with any light source. Okay, with micro USB, 20 hours of light, holds charge for years. Wow. Water resistant, extremely durable, super bright LED light. Not super bright. For 400 lumens, it's not going to be super light, right? So again, that's what you have. $70. Again, it seems kind of expensive. These two items seems kind of expensive to me. And then the final item, which I thought was really, really cool. I'm going to tell you, this knife is sweet. And you know what? When I saw the price on this knife, I thought it was actually pretty good. You know, $95 for this little knife from Lore and Phil. And again, there you have it. You're seeing it right now. Seems like a really, really cool knife. 440C steel. Let's see what else. I don't know how to say it. Tallulah or something. All right. So that's what it is. So you see it right there. It seems pretty good. Blade length is going to be about 3.74. Overall length of the knife is going to be about 7.48. So when I saw this, I really thought it was a really nice size knife for being, you know, I think it's called Scout Carry. It feels really nice. It feels just really fantastic. Like I hold it in my hand and it felt really, really good. And again, it seems like it was a decent size. Not too big, not too small. It looked pretty good. But there you have it, guys. This is the new Battlbox for this month. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. I appreciate Battlbox for sending this to the channel for us to take a look at it. And as always, gotta stay in control.